Kia ora everybody, welcome to your final Kiwi Can lesson for resilience. Okay, just reminding us that we are trying to focus on resilience this term, and the activities that we're doing are going to help us become more resilient. In this lesson, or in terms of this lesson, we are focusing on problem solving. So in terms of last week, what did we do? We did the 2-string partner problem solving activity. Hope you guys had different creative ways of trying to complete that puzzle, the activity, and we also have another activity that you guys are going to do this time, but we're going to have a little bit more fun and a little bit more creativity within this activity. Just remember that problem solving and how important it is for us to use problem solving and having a creative mind to stay resilient. And when we are doing these activities, try and think outside the box. So good luck with this next activity. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you after.
Good everybody, so welcome to another Kiwi Can lesson for this week. So your energizer today is another physical one, just like last week. The one that we're going to be doing today requires us doing a little bit of exercise. So first thing I require you guys to do is pick a appropriate place to do a workout. So at the moment I'm on concrete, probably not the best place to do it. So if you're at home, make sure you guys join in. Whether it's on the carpet, if you find some grass, you can do it on there too. So the exercise we're going to be doing, we've got to do 3 different sets. Okay, so you're going to repeat these exercises 3 times. Okay, so our first exercise is obviously going to be high knees. Okay, so when we come to you guys at Kiwi Can lessons, me and Renee, we get you guys to always do either run around us, do high knees. So it's going to be kind of related to moving our bodies around and getting a little bit warm for the day. Okay, so first one is high knees. Throw it in. We do about 10 seconds of high knees, as you can. Want to get sweaty right here. Do 10 seconds of high knees, and we're going to do 10 push-ups, or you can go down as far as you can, but making sure you're not, I'll go on the side actually, making sure we're not dipping our bum down or not getting too technical with it, but just trying to move our arms. So 10 of these. Of those, and last one is 10 squats. So obviously here, starting up nice and tall, sitting down, doing 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're trying to repeat that. Repeat that 3 times, so 3 sets, and your body should be a little bit warm and ready for the activity. Sweet. So kia ora guys, so your activity today is going to be, you're going to require 2 pieces of paper and 2 pens, so not too much equipment. You're going to have 2 people that are going to have back-to-back, okay? So we have back-to-back here. And we have Dal and Jared again. Sorry, the lighting's crazy, let me go on this side. So we have Dal and Jared demonstrating our activity today, okay? So what is required of this activity is that one person, or we're going to nominate one person to be the drawer, okay? One person is going to be drawing, and the other person is going to be the describer, okay? So I'm going to get Jared on the left side here. He's going to draw a simple drawing, so not like maybe just a couple of shapes that are together, just a simple drawing. Did it, yeah. Nothing too much. Just that. Awesome. So this is our drawing here. And we're going to have Dal, who is going to be the listener, okay? So the aim of this activity is to try and get this image on this side, communicate it to be the same onto the other side, okay? So we have here, Jared's going to start communicating. And you're not allowed to just say, tell them the image. So you can't say, if it was a light bulb, I want you to draw a light bulb. So you can only describe the figure on your paper using descriptive words. So you can use shapes and stuff like that, but you can't tell them what the actual, thing that is on your paper. So, first round or practice round, give it a go.
All right, Dal. Draw a circle.
A circle?
About 2/3 up your page.
Down.
And then align the same width of that circle touching the bottom edge.
Align the same width.
Sorry.
Say again.
The same width, the same diameter as the circle, but touching the bottom edge of it horizontally.
Horizontally.
Yep.
That's it.
And then draw a vertical line from each end of that, 2 widths of the circle downwards.
2 lines?
Yep, one
Two-
at each end of the horizontal line.
Ah, you said horizontal line. Because the first line I drew was vertical.
Keep going.
Okay, I just turned the paper. Yeah, that's it. So,
Yep, a circle,
yeah.
and then a horizontal line touching the bottom edge of that circle.
Yeah.
No, I draw horizontal line now.
Alright, and then from each end of that, a
Yeah.
vertical line going down the page, 2 widths of the circle, the same length.
2 widths of the circle?
Yep.
I don't know why.
And then join the bottom 2 of those 2 lines up with another horizontal line.
Okay, awesome. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay, the.
You told me to draw.
Okay. That's right. So a part of this activity is that you guys can now problem solve. So the problem was obviously.
You asked me
Good communication. It's good communication.
I saw you was drawing in the circle.
Now you guys have to talk about a little bit problem solve. What was the problem with you guys? Communication.
If you had told me
So
like
it's better next time.
draw a circle.
Yeah, that's what he did.
Bottom of the circle, horizontal line.
Yeah. And 2.
Yeah.
How you describe this
I
line?
definitely could have described
Hmm?
the lines in relation to the circle better.
Yeah. Oh, you told me draw a line the same diameter of the circle. I was just like,
Yeah. Sweet guys, so now you guys have done your problem solving. Dal and Jared have figured out or problem solved what was the problem with the communication, and now they're going to have another try and see how well they're going to do this time. So yeah, this is Jared's image and he's going to describe it to Dal. Let's go.
All right, Dal.
yes, brother.
Draw a short line, horizontal.
Down.
Horizontal. That's the crossface.
Yeah.
Yep. And then on the left-hand end of that line, you're going to draw an angle, a line on 45 degrees down and to the left.
Down.
And then on the right-hand side of that line, you're going to do the opposite. So a 45-degree angle down on the right.
What's next?
And then you're going to join the ends of those 2 angled lines with another horizontal line that should run parallel with the first one.
Down.
And it should look like that.
Awesome. Now compare each other. See what they look like.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice boys.
Beautiful.
Nice. So once you guys have problem solved, done all those things, you can do a little bit more complex, a light bulb, whatever you guys have at home. Goku if you're really good. And at the end of the time, you guys can have better problem solving skills at the end of it. So hope you guys did well.
So guys, now that you have completed your last problem solving activity for this week, these last 3 weeks, hope you guys enjoyed the back-to-back drawing activity. It is pretty tough could be tough for the first try, and just like Jared and Dal demonstrated. They were pretty much on the spot. I told them the rules like on the spot, and they completed the activity pretty well too. They came together after the first try, problem solved what was the problem between their communication, and then the solution, or the goal, or what came out of it was they ended up doing a way better job the second time. So I hope you guys had the same result at home, and remember that when we are trying to problem solve with others, we are using positive communication, so we can relate that to all of our subtopics that we did last term, and then being able to communicate positively with the other person to problem solve, because you're going to have to do that when problem solving with others. And relating it back to resilience, you guys can remember to stay creative when problem solving, so you guys can stay resilient through whatever hardships that you guys go through at home, or at school when you guys come back. And we can always use the lockdown as another reason to stay resilient, and we're going to hopefully see you guys in the near future. Stay tuned for the next topic, or the next video we'll be giving you guys, and yeah, hope you guys took something out of these problem solving activities over the last 3 weeks. Let's finish it off with our Kiwi Can goodbye song. So Kiwican, Kiwi Can is about to end. Goodbye.